Hello everyone, welcome to this demo that is about security scorecards. If you are not familiar with security scorecards, feel free to reach out to Open Source Security Foundation. And basically it's a project that aggregates information about open source software and provides some basic information about how healthy the given project is when it comes to security. So follow Open Source Security Foundation blog for more information. And in this demo, we will have a look at how these security scorecards are integrated into thoth and thoth's advices. So previously we had a demo about prescriptions refresh job that aggregates information about scorecards. As of today, we use Google's BigQuery to query results that are already available for projects when it comes to security scorecards. So here you can see all the things that are computed by the open source Security Foundation. So here you see, for example, information about code review, information whether the given project is active, maintained, but also if the project signed releases, signed tags, if it uses some binary artifacts in the repository and things like that. Follow open source security scorecards for more information, their documentation, where all these things are documented. Now we aggregate this information from Google's BigQuery, and what we do, we translate their specific format into format of prescriptions. So if you go to a repository that is thoth-station prescriptions, and you go to, for example, package Flask, that will provide information that will keep prescriptions specific for Flask package. Here you can see already aggregated information when it comes to security by security scorecards. So here we can see, for example, that there's a warning produced because project does not use pinned dependencies, or when it comes to signed tags, we also see that the project does not cryptographically sign tags based on security scorecards. So here you can see information aggregated from scorecards, and when it comes to advices or how we guide users of thoth with respect to security scorecards. So if a user asks for an advice, and the advice is computed and available to the user, then the user gets back this table. And here you can see integrated scorecards into advices. So based on the output, we see that package zip does not have branch protection set up. So here you can see a warning that is available to users of thoth. Similarly for other packages, and this information is provided for direct dependencies as well as transitive dependencies, so for the whole dependency stack. So here you see information when it comes to security scorecards, but also other information that is populated from the recommendation engine. And if you follow the link that is provided, you can find more information about the given scorecard, where you can check documentation of security scorecards and the semantics behind the given warning or informative message. So this is how security scorecards are directly integrated into the resolution process, which comes up with dependencies that Python developers could use. This way, I would like to thank you and see you next time.